everyone, in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial and just a quick little review on the Soft Glam palette, letting you guys know if it's worth the hype, whether you guys should get it or not. So originally when I first seen this palette, I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. It really has some pretty colors, very neutral, and I love the shimmer shades that are in this palette. Originally it came out with the Amrezy highlighter and I put both of these in my cart at the same time. But I had took this out of my cart just because I noticed how many repeat shades it has in it. Anastasia Beverly Hills is my absolute favorite makeup brand. So if you are an Anastasia Beverly Hills lover like myself, then you probably already have a lot of her palettes. This palette has a lot of repeats. That's originally why I didn't want to get this palette. Tempera was in the Modern Renaissance palette. Orange Soda was in the Lavish palette. Mulberry, I believe, is also a repeat. Dusty Rose is definitely a repeat. Burnt Orange and Sienna, those are repeats. Not sure if Rustic is. Cypress Umber was in the Modern Renaissance palette, and Noir is also a repeat. I'm not exactly sure which one. So I would say a lot of the matte shades are repeats, but not necessarily the shimmer ones. I don't have every single Anastasia Beverly palette. I wish I did, but a lot of these are repeats, and that's why I took it out my oh shit. And that is why I took it out my cart. So recently I had some gift cards. I was like, you know what? I just need to get it because it's so gorgeous. It's nice to have all of these shades in one palette. So that's why I got it. And since I've been doing makeup more, I thought this would just be a good go-to palette to have. If you are new to makeup, I would definitely recommend getting that palette. But if you have a lot of Anastasia palettes, then maybe not, unless you just want it all in one palette like I did. So that's why I got this palette. If you guys want to see this tutorial, then keep on watching. I just focus on the eyes as well as like the bronziness, and I have lipstick on my teeth. But let's just get right into the makeup tutorial. I already did my brows and I prepped my lids with Painterly Paint Pot by MAC. I then set it using a Sigma E40 brush and this shade right here from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, the first one. I'm using that as my transition shade, and I'm using a Morphe M441 brush. Then taking the color Sienna with a crown brush. This is a C441 brush. Is that the same one? Yep, it's a crown 441 brush. I'm then going to take the color Mulberry with a crown brush. This is a 218 brush. So next I'm going to do my cut crease. I'm using my Tarte Tape Shade Concealer in the color Fair Neutral, and I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush to do my cut crease. I just take a little bit and put it on my brush, and I learned this trick from Nicole Guerriero. I just put it right there, and since I have hooded eyes, I like look down and you can see where the concealer went. I'm just gonna wet a small brush. This is a Zoeva 237 brush, and I'm gonna go in with this color called, I believe it's called Bronze, if I can read upside down. I'm gonna take a liner brush. This is a Zoeva 317 brush, and I'm gonna go back with Mulberry. And I'm just gonna kind of cut the crease. I'm gonna go back and blend. I'm first gonna take Cypress Umber. I don't know if I want black yet. Use my finger to blend it together. Alright, I'm gonna use a baby wipe to clean that up. For my under eyes, I'm going to take the color Sienna with a Glam Tools 777 brush. It's kind of intense, so I'm going to go in with Orange Soda and this Glam Tools 766 brush and kind of just blend out the edges. I'm going to go in with Mulberry and an angled brush by Zoeva. It's a 317 brush. And I'm just going to get really close to my waterline. Just going to line my lower lash line with it. I'm going to line my waterline with a nude pencil. This is a MAC Technical Liner in the color Risque. And now it's time to give my face some color because I look dead. I'm going to take my Kat Von D palette and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is a Shadow Play. And I'm using a Glam Tools 945 brush. Taking Quarter Rosa by Sigma. This is a Sigma blush. For highlighter, I'm going to take Ambreezy by Anastasia Beverly Hills with a Sigma E05 brush. For my lower lashes, I'm going to use this Maybelline mascara. For lips, I'm going to take the color Candy K by Kylie. I can't find the nude lipstick that I'm looking for, so I'm just going to take Kimchi Doll and put that in the center of my lips. Alright, I ended up applying my inner corner at the end. I ended up applying this shade right here, Forever Lit, from the Nicole Guerriero palette. I know this was limited edition, but that highlight right there never fails me for an inner corner. And then I ended up putting a lip gloss from MAC on top of it. It's the color Chic Supremacy. See-Through is also a really good nude lip gloss from MAC. If they still carry it, that's like my OG favorite. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video.